Good morning, guys. Today we're going to be joining a friend. We're going to be going on a little cruise and a little photo shoot with the Evo. Today's November 9th, Sunday, like 36 degrees. Really cold now. The weather's finally starting to drop. Yes, sir. My brother installed these LEDs on the gauge cluster because the far left side, it was super dim, hardly lighting up. You can't really tell on the camera here, but they're really bright. Try to get a shot of it like in the dark or at night. And I did add these Recaro shoulder rest seatbelt covers to match the seats. Got them from AliExpress. So yeah, we're good to go. Don't be posting this on TikTok. This is AI. Was getting a few roller shots, had to pull over because the coils that I had on gave out. I'm currently on JDC Denso coils, and yeah, I think cylinder number 2, coil number 2 finally gave out, so I had to throw in the stocks again. These stock ones are kind of shot too, so I can only go so fast. I can't really do any aggressive pulls with these. To any veteran or long-time Evo owners, do these Denso coils give out as often as they do? Because this is technically my third set already. Third set of coils within about 2.5, 3 years of using them. Do they get too hot or what? Because at least 1 or 2 coils give out pretty often. I am professionally tuned. I am on all the supporting mods and everything. So I don't know if they just get too hot and 1 gives out at a time or 2 gives out at a time. I don't know, but so far I'm kind of not really impressed by these coils. I know they do make supposedly fake or replica coils, but these are supposedly genuine ones from JDC. So let me know what experiences you guys had with these. Okay, we're just gonna go cruise at a slower speed. Got the Insta360 mounted on, so I'll throw in some clips here. It is a little bit windy, so hopefully the wind doesn't get in the way of the video. I do have a small microphone muffs on each of the speakers on them, on the microphones. So hopefully that helps at least a little bit. Not a bad spot for taking pictures, but I do say so myself. Found another decent spot for some photos. I think this will be nice.